Hello everyone, welcome to this 20th video on Python. In this video, we'll discuss how we can create Sankey plots using Python. So you can see here, we are we have the sample Sankey plot which we will be going to create. You can see that total revenues broken down into products, chair, table and sofa, and subproducts, office chair, normal chair, office table, study table, office sofa and living room sofa. And this is some numbers for a hypothetical furniture company which will be using to create this plot. So we'll import this plotly.graph objects as geo here, and first of all we'll be creating labels for the nodes. So these are the nodes which would be uh, numbered as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So ninth one is living room sofa while the first one is total revenue. Okay. Now we'll be defining the links. So for all these links actually from here to here, which is from 0 to 1, we'll have to give the source node number and the target node number. Okay, and there are how many links? So here if you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 links we have. And here also if you see the number 3 to 5 to 7 to 9, so we have 9 source, 9 target, and the values corresponding to those. So first link will start from 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, this is the first link from total revenue to chair, and the value is 300. Similarly, the second link from 0 to 2, the value is 200. So our total revenue is 500, which is broken down into these two subproduct. In fact, we have three products, so it would be broken down into three. So we have total revenue of 600, 300, 200, and 100. So total revenue to three products. Now this 600 revenue will be further broken down. So this 300 revenue in chair will be broken down into these two. So the node for the chair is 1. So from 1 to 4 and 1 to 5, the revenues are 150 and 150. From 2 to 6 and 2 to 7, the revenues are 120 and 80. From 3 to 8 and 3 to 9, the revenues are 60 and 40. So this is how you'll create. So you'll create a list for labels of the node, and then you will create a few list with source node, target node, and the values. And that would be the base. So once you have that ready, you'll use this function and go geo.figure. So geo we have imported plotly.graph objects as geo. So graph objects.figure where data is geo Sankey. Now node is dictionary. Node is a dictionary. Now this is padding between nodes, the thickness of nodes, and the line color is black, width 0.5. So all these nodes actually borders are black with some width of 0.5, and the labels are labels. Okay, so the labels for the nodes are, so this is how we are actually uh, adding values for node. Okay, now the second part is where we are actually defining those flows or the linkages. So the link is again a dictionary here where source is source, target is target, and value is value. So this way we are creating the diagram, and then we can update it by just by adding a header at the top with font size specified below. And if we show this Sankey diagram, this is how it looks like. So this is interactive actually. You can hover over this to get the values. So this is 300, 200, 100, and again this is broken down. 300 is broken down into 150 and 150, like that. So based on the requirement, you can change the values. You can create some different nodes to get the Sankey chart for your requirement. Now we can further modify this chart and make it beautiful. So if you want to have different color for links, so all these links, if you see, they are all right now in kind of black. Okay, so you want to have some different color. So for that, this, this part of the code remains the same, this remains the same, this remains the same, even this remains the same. Later on, you have this link colors. So link colors are defined like this, where you have RGBA. So these are the three values which will define your color, and this would be give you the opacity. So if you want to make it transparent or completely opaque, so that depends on this particular value. So right now, if you see, total revenue to chair is this color, and chair to office chair is again kind of same color, but just the transparency has been changed. And we have done it the same for other combination as well. So for total revenue to table and table to study table, office table, the color remains the same, only the transparency has changed. So with this link colors, you just have to add another argument here where color equal to link colors. And with that, you see, this is, it looks much beautiful now. So this is blue, and again it's broken into some different shades of blue. Like that, you can observe orange broken down into different shades of orange, like that. What else you can do? So you can actually define the colors for your nodes as well. You can add values as well in the node name. So to achieve that, let's see what changes we have to make. So link colors we have already done. So if you just copy these link colors and create another variable, say node colors. So, but yeah, these transparency argument has been modified a bit here. And then to create label with values, we are just using list comprehension, where we are taking labels and the values list to create a pair paired list, where we have the label as well as total value. Okay, so now with this change here, another argument will come, label with values, and this will get modified, while this color would be node colors. So with these changes, if you see, we have the diagram like this. So this color, total revenue color is blue. Again, chair color is again blue. Chair, office chair and normal chair color are light blue kind of, and then you have orange. Even the node colors are changed as per the list added above. We can make the modification as per your requirement. And in these nodes also, we have the total values as well present. So even without hovering also, we can see how the distribution look like. Okay. Now, if you have overlapping lines, so sometime that may be the case, but yeah, it is not very difficult actually. It just depends on the way you are defining your source target. So here again, this is just a example here. These are the nodes: total revenue, product A, B, subproduct A1, A2, subproduct B1, B2. Now, if you see here, 0 to 100, 0 to 2, 200, 1 to 3, 50, 1 to 4, 50, 2 to 500, 2 to 600, 1 to 550, and 2 to 350. So now the one first node is connected to 3, 4, and 5 as well, while the second node is connected to 3, 5, and 6. So there is overlapping. So in the diagram also, you can see that this is not only connected to this two, but this is connected here as well, and this is connected here as well. So this way also, if the data is there, you just have to create this source, target, and value list in a way that it covers all those complexity, and then with few lines of code, you will be able to create a complex Sankey diagram as well. So I hope you find this video useful. I'll share the link of this code in the first comment. Do subscribe my channel, like the video, and share it amongst your friends and family. See you in the next video.